You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new Disney digital mystery box. This is a Winnie the Pooh mystery box. So with this, we're going to get 2 sets of images, and then there's going to be 3 different fonts included. So let's go ahead and take a look at the images. And I haven't looked at these yet. So the first image set we're going to look at is Poohs Party. This one's going to have 38 images in it. We got a Tigger. I love Tigger. And Eeyore. Everybody loves Eeyore. I love the little piglet on the balloon too. That's adorable. Ooh, think with the new venture doing these larger than matte projects, and you could make a really good like party decor. That would be so cool. Cut vinyl. The little piglet peeping over. Peeping? He's not a peeping, he's a peeking. A little piglet peeking over. You could put him on the pocket. I actually really like this cupcake too, with the sprinkles and the candle. Oh, and a piglet and Roo. You can't have Pooh without a honey pot. Is that like a gift? A honey pot gift? Yep, a honey pot present. This one is adorable. Piglet on top of Eeyore. That's so cute. Oh, now Eeyore would really be saying, "Oh bother." Oh, and the birthday Pooh with his balloon and honey pot. Oh, I love him with the balloon too. Like he's floating away. That's so cute. I feel like he's saying the wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers are wonderful things. They're just besties with their little balloon. These are so stinking cute. This is great for Winnie the Pooh parties. Oh, they got a little Pooh peeking. Put him over the pocket. And the little birdie. And the bee, those are cute. Great stuff for a party in here, definitely. And just cards anyway. Who wouldn't love Pooh on a balloon or Piglet on a balloon? On a card, that's adorable. And the next image set is called Show Me the Honey. That's funny. Instead of show me the money, it's show me the honey. Oh, and it's done in like, well, I was gonna say Pooh spelling, but is it Christopher Robbins? You know how the spelling's always wrong on this stuff? Oh, and then these are like simple designs. These would be great to do with vinyl. You could put a giant Pooh. Oh, think of a kid's room, a nursery. 100-acre woods with their, you know, that seems like it's spelled wrong, but it's not because that's how they spell that. Mr. Owl. Oh, these are great simple images. And then you can also go ahead and contour them and add some coloring and stuff if you wanted that way. Oh, that would be so cool. I think I'm going to cut this to put on my wall. I really want to use it with the new venture because they have the 25-inch wide vinyl. And I could make them up to 12 feet tall. I don't know that I need to do that or I would put him. But how cool would he be? Put a giant Pooh on your wall. Oh, Winnie the Pooh. That sounded weird. E is for Eeyore. Oh. Oh, that one's so cute though too. Oh my gosh. My husband's gonna come home and there's gonna be Winnie the Pooh on the walls everywhere. He's gonna be like, what happened? I like the head in the clouds. I just love that Tigger though. Tigger's so happy. I think that's one thing I love about Tigger. Tigger's always in a good mood. He's always got energy too. He must have a lot of coffee. There's just too many cute ones. Sweet dreams. Huh. Oh, bother. That's super cute. And you know what? That would actually be super cute to put on a shirt. Or a mug or tote bag. That would be really cute. I love hugs with Mummy. Oh, Kanga and Roo. Too cute. Okay, so now we're going to get 3 fonts with it. Okay, and the first of the 3 fonts is going to be Love, Love, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, so it's like he's writing. See how the letters are backwards? It's just like how in the books, how the letters are backwards. And then another one is Winnie the Pooh Nightmare. I like how it looks like a child wrote it, or you could use this font too for something you're doing with like childlike lettering, because like the zero, it's not a 0, it's an O, because of how the O's are kind of scribbled in there. So that is the second font. And then you're also getting Winnie the Pooh Nightmare Cursive. So then that is this one here. And let's play with this one a little bit with the letter spacing. Let's see what it looks like if we bring them closer together. Besides the I here, so you can pretty much bring them together where they are connecting also. This also is a perfect font for a children's font too, especially with the letters written wrong and looking like they're drawn with crayon. When you ungroup it, you can see that it has the background behind it. You could layer this with anything too. It could be iron-on, it could be vinyl, you could do cardstock. Watch, let's go ahead and offset it, and then let's pull that offset out. And look, just by taking that image and offsetting it, you have a whole nother image you could use. Of Pooh, you could do a giant vinyl of that too. You know what else? It would make a really good coloring book page. You go ahead and color that. So that is the Winnie the Pooh Disney Digital Mystery Box. Now this is only available for a limited time. And once you purchase the digital okay, take 3. Once you purchase the Disney my goodness. Once you purchase the OMG. Once you purchase the Disney Digital Winnie the Pooh Mystery Box, you will have access to the images and fonts forever. And the price of the Disney Digital Mystery Box is $29.99. Comment below, did you get it? If you make something with them, please post them in the groups. We love to see them. These will make some great larger than matte projects. Imagine if you have a big format printer. You could print and cut these up to 24 by 28 inches on the Cricut Venture. Any Winnie the Pooh fan will love these. You could put them on shirts. You could make cards. You could make a Winnie the Pooh mug. Oh, what would be awesome is a Winnie the Pooh mug. For someone who loves Winnie the Pooh, you can go ahead, print this on laser printer, and then have yourself or children go ahead and fill it in with infusible ink markers, and then you could press it onto the mug. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it if you give us the like. Always, we like to send our thanks to our admins, our supporters, and to Cricut. We hope you all have a craftastic week, and we will see you next time. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.